Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of November 4th through the 10th in my social media planner by Practical Paper Company using the kit by SammyLynnPlanning. This is one of her foiled kits, and I absolutely love it. As I said, this is one of SammyLynnPlanning's foiled kits, and as you can tell, it is not a full kit. It's because I used this kit last year, and I will insert a picture of what it looked like when I used it in the previous year, but I have just leftover bits and pieces, and I'm trying really hard to use my stash this year, so I thought this would be a really good way to use my stash. So I have some leftover bits from her kit, and then because I don't have date covers, I actually have these that I'm going to be using. These are from Sweet Tea Plans. I actually used this kit in my Hobonichi cousin this week. This is the fall plan kit, and so this is the leftover bits that I have, so I'm going to use those just to fill in the extra pieces because it matches this kit. I'm actually on SammyLynnPlanning's PR team, so if you use my code Megan15, it saves you 15% off and you will receive my freebie. I just got my new freebie for the month of November. This is what it looks like. It is adorable. It's based off of her Pink Winter Christmas kit, and I absolutely love it. I think it's actually called Pink Blush, but it's so pretty. I'm going to get that kit because as soon as I'm done with my nose bend, it's going to come in, and I'm very excited about it. It's going to be a good kit, and I am pumped. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this week. So how has your week been so far, you guys? How has November treated you? I know it is literally just the beginning of November, but I like to know. I like to see how things are going. November has been good to me so far. It's only been the first few days, but it has been okay. I am happy to say that I had a really good time with Gail and Angie, and I did not mention Angie in any of my videos before because I did not know that I was going to be meeting up with Angie, and it was a very good thing. I knew, but I didn't know at the time of the filming that I did, so I knew like when it was time, but I didn't at the time of me filming those videos. So when you see the vlog, because we did vlog, you'll be like, wait a second, she said she was just meeting up with Gail. I lied. Actually, I am very excited that I was able to meet up with Angie as well. They are both so sweet and so kind. I had the absolute best time hanging out with them. I can't find my cutter. So I really enjoyed that. Like I said, I did vlog, so you guys will see that vlog coming up very soon. I'm actually super excited to edit it. I haven't even looked at the vlog footage yet, but I'm starting my new job tomorrow. At the time of me filming, it is actually, I am starting it on the day I actually will be getting off work when this video comes out. So I am super excited. I've been, if you don't know, I work for Disney. I used to be a photographer, and now I am going to be a barista, which is basically like the person working at Starbucks. I've done it before in my college program, and I had talked about how I've been on the college program for a little bit, but I did that during my college program, and it was an adventure, and I am excited to have a job that's not as hard on my body as photography, because if you are even familiar with photography, then you know that it can be really hard on your body, and as I have been getting older and my shoulder has been increasing in pain, it's just not been good for me. And while I loved the actual job itself, it's just not going to be good for me in my body. So I had to find a different job that would be a little less strenuous. So that is why I am going into Starbucks. So I'm going to definitely talk about it in my videos coming up, so you guys will hear my thoughts on how I remember things, because as I said, I did work there before. So I will see if memory serves and I'm able to remember things easily or not, but we will find out. So that's how this month has been, or this week has been going. That's how things have been going in the CraftyPlannerLovR household. How have things been treating you? I've already asked you guys a couple of times in some of the videos how, you know, what you're doing for Black Friday and stuff, but what are you doing for the month? What plans do you have? I can't find anything today. I don't even know where I put my tweezers. So yes, what are you guys planning on doing for this month? I know, like before that, you know, there's big holidays, but if you don't live in the US, you might not have them. So do you guys have any fall plans? Are you doing anything fun for fall, or are you kind of getting into the Christmas spirit? For me, I love fall and I love Christmas. So I'm actually planning on decorating for Christmas soon, hopefully this week while I am resting up from the work week. That's my plan. That's my hope, but we will see what happens because I'm not quite sure what's going to happen. We'll just have to stay tuned and find out, because I was thinking, Gail actually gave me this idea. I was thinking of vlogging my decorations. I did post it on like Instagram stories last year, but I'm thinking I might vlog this year, but it's going to depend on how things go, because I was supposed to decorate for Christmas yesterday, which was November 2nd, but I slept the entire day because life. I'm not going into it, I'm not going to explain, but the 31st was scary, and I don't ever want to go through that again. If you are familiar with what happened, then you know. So yeah, that is how the life has been working here. I've just been planning and talking with you guys. I like doing that. I think it is a nice, I feel like I'm talking to, you know, a family member. I feel like you guys are my family, and I am just having a great time talking with you guys. I hope that's how you feel. I hope you feel like I am having a good time talking with you, or you are enjoying. I can't figure out which way this is supposed to go. I hope you're enjoying my chit chats at least. I'm going to lay it like that because I think it's supposed to be a candle. Okay, so this is going to be important information, anything. I don't know if I have, that's the washi. Where is this? Okay, this is appointments. That's literally the only thing. I might have something that says important or something like that. Actually, I can check. Okay, I have this one. This is from Coffee Planner Mom. Her shop is unfortunately closed. I'm going to put that here. It's not a SammyLynnPlanning script, but it's okay. Okay, so that's what that's going to be for. And then I think we're actually going to use these two boxes here for filming and editing. I do want one more for sales, like PR sales and things. Okay, and then like I said, this is filming and editing, and I will get that script in a second, like that. And we can put the shopping bag up here and the planner next to important. Okay. And I think we are going to use these two foiled boxes just to get rid of that page. Do I know what the foiled boxes are going to be for? No, I do not. But we shall see when the time comes for me to fill these boxes out. I want this one to go on Monday. Okay. And let's see. I will use these darker boxes. Come on. Ooh, there is this one too. That'll be good. Let's see. see how many times I can move this box before it freaks out. Probably this last time, and that's it. Okay. Then we have 2 other boxes. So I will do that one there. And we'll do these 2 right. Ooh, yeah, right here. Cute. I don't think I need any of the rest of this. I do need these 2 though, because we are going to put those over here for the PRs that I am in. Okay, so we'll do that like this. And then this one down here. Look at that. That's fun. I like this. This is a good spread. I want this, I think, to go there. And I think we will add this guy. Let's do it like that. I think I may have not laid that down properly. There we go. Much better. Okay. I do kind of want to tie this orange in to the other side, so we will use it. Whoops, that's too close. We will use it right here. If I can get it to stay on the page. And we'll just rip the edge there. And I think over here I'm going to use this guy just to add a little more to it, you know, because we got to add some fun to this spread, because I'm weird and I like to add things like this. Ooh, that would be cute, right? You know what, we're going to do it anyway, just because I want to. And then we have these guys that we could definitely add. Maybe one here, like so, and right here. Like I said, this is just to add a little cuteness. You need a little cuteness in your planner, right? I think I need one more. Then I think, you guys, I think we will be done. I think. Sometimes I add more and then I don't realize that I'm recording and I'm like, oopsie. Oh, see, I already forgot that I needed to do the filming and editing list. My bad. Double checking to make sure I'm not forgetting anything, but I think that's it. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my social media planner by Practical Paper Company for the week of November 4th through the 10th, using this kit by SammyLynnPlanning and some extra things from Sweet Tea Plans. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I do post new videos. Don't forget to check out the description box below. There are going to be various playlists related to each category of my planning and crafting, so if you want to see how I've decorated spreads throughout this past month and these past few months, you can check that out. It will be all linked in the description box. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys.